take your blog to the next level and turn it into infographic that will engage your audience. I mean, look at the clear difference. Would you rather read this or this whole blog? Me personally, I would prefer this one. So the question is, how can you create infographic using your articles or blogs? And the answer is pretty clear. Just use Google Gemini. You would require a good prompt to get a good result. But what are the things that you should mention in your prompt? Well, let me walk you through it. So here's how you should start. Clear instruction to your AI about what your purpose is, which is to convert the blog content into engaging infographic. Then go ahead, outline the whole process to it. So our first step would be to analyze the reference article, understand the core message, tone, and extract a few key takeaways. Next, give instruction about the layout. Here I have generalized the instruction and asked the AI to decide what kind of layout should be used according to the content of the blog. After this, I've mentioned what kind of typography and visual elements should be used in my infographic. And also I've mentioned that I want a cohesive color palette that the agent can decide on its own. Lastly, I've given instruction to create visual hierarchy, clean typography, add an illustration and icons to give the infographic the pop which grabs the attention of our audience, and the bottom line, which is to create a high resolution image that is optimized for web as well as social media sharing. And the last step is to finally add in the link to your article or blog, whatever you're trying to create the infographic for. And this is my link. Now all I have to do is go to the tools, select create images. I'm going to choose the thinking model and submit it. That's it. So our result is ready and this is what it looks like. Based off the look, it looks really great. It can grab attention. And if we look closely, we can see it has given us all these steps that are to be followed to start our own podcast. And right along with our steps, it has also given us little pointers which describe the step further. So all in all, it is a success. Now all you have to do is go ahead, download this in full size and use on any of your social media. And if you have any specific use case in your mind, like you want to use this infographic on a certain platform which requires certain aspect ratio, you can always go ahead, change your prompt and add in the aspect ratio in your prompt as well to get more consistent result. And if you're not satisfied with the output, you can always redo it, which will generate another image for you. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, turn your blogs into an infographic.